everyone. Here is Jaya Patel from Gandhiji Vidyapith Standard 3rd, Day 2. So students, in unit number 2, we'll start addition 3-digit number. In the previous lecture, already we have completed worksheet number 1st, 2nd and 3rd. In that worksheet, 3-digit numbers are there. But here is some different things I'll show you. So look it here everyone. So we'll start addition with the 3-digit number. So students, find the 143. Find the 143 plus 215. So write the numbers in the place value box. So first of all students, we have to draw the place value box. In that box we have to write the ones, tens and 100. After that add the sign. So when we are draw the place value box, in that we have to write the sign of the addition signs we have to write here. So this is the addition signs, and then we have to write the numbers in that particular place. So 100, 4, 43, and then we have to write the 250. Then students, add the ones, add the digit in the ones place by the counting on your finger. Now students, look at here on the in this 3 and 5 in the ones place, 1 place 3 and 5 is there. So we have to count the 3 plus 5. 3 on your finger, 1, 2 and 3. So that 3 we have to lock in our mind, and after that 5 is there. So 5 on your finger. So 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is there. 3 after we have to start the counting. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 9 is there. So 3 after 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 is there. So 3 ones plus 5 ones, that's answer should be 8 is there. Answer should be 8 is there. After that add the digit in the tens place. So tens place by counting on finger. So 4 plus 1 is there. 4 plus 1 is there. So first of all we have to show in our finger 4. So 1, 2, 3 and 4. That 4 we have to lock in our mind. We have to lock in our mind, and 1 in our finger. So 4 after 1. So that's called 5. So we have to write in the tens place 5. What we have to write there? 5. Then 100 place. Add the digit in the 100 place by counting on your finger. So 1 plus 2. 1 on your finger, 2 on your finger. So first one we have to lock in our mind, and after that 2 is there. So we have to count that 1 after 2 and 3. So what we have to write there? 3. 100 plus 200 is equal to 300 is there. Now students, look at this. I'll give you a 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Just you have to look at this and write it down in your maths notebook. Okay students, now next. So in this answer is 143 plus 215. Answer is 350 is there. Answer is 358 is there. Now question number 2nd. Question number 2nd is find the 372 plus 401. So now students, I'll give you 2 minutes. You have to write. Okay students, now for your understanding, 372 plus 401 is there. So I'll give you 1 minute. You have to write this answer in your notebook. After that we'll check your answer. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll check your answer. So in that, first of all we have to write the place value box. In that place value box we have to write the 372 plus 401. In that we have to write the addition signs. After that we have to write the 2 plus 1. 2 on your mind, 1 on your finger. So 2 plus 1, 3 is there. 7 plus 0, 7 on your mind, 0 on your finger. 7 plus 0, 7 as it is. 3 plus 4, 3 on your mind, 4 on your finger. 3, then 4, 5, 6 and 7. So we have to write there 7. So add the digit in the 100 place by the counting in our finger, on your finger. So answer is 7773 is there. So let's write. I hope so students you all are write this sums in your notebook. So I'll give you half an minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet, worksheet number 4. Okay students, now next worksheet is worksheet number 4. In that worksheet number 4, in that worksheet 3-digit addition with the regrouping, 3-digit addition with the regrouping. So now here is a one example. 349 plus 263 is there. So first of all we have to write the place pictorial form and extractor form. Both the forms we have to understand here. So students, first of all we have to write the ones, tens and 100. Place value box we have to draw. In that place value box we have to write the ones, tens and 100. After that 349 is there. So in the ones place we have to draw 9 boxes, small 9 boxes. Then in the 100 place or tens place we have to draw 4 standing line, 1, 2, 3 and 4. Here we have to draw the 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 is there. And in the last 100 place is there. In that 100 place we have to draw the 3 boxes. So students, this one showed to us pictorial form. After that 263 is there. So we have to write the 3 in 3 boxes we have to draw in the ones place. 6 standing lines we have to draw in the 100 tens place, and 2 boxes we have to draw in the 100 place. Like that we have to show this in the abstract form. 349 plus 263 is there. Now students, we have to add this. So add the, if the sum is 10 or more place, ones with the 1 tens place and carry over another number. For example, here is the first one, ones place number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 9, then 10, 11 and 12 is there. So students, what we have to do, 12 is there. So 10 plus 2 is there. So 1 tens and 2 is 1. So we have to write 2 in the ones place and 1 we have to carry over. 1 we have to carry over. So 2 we have to write in the ones place and 1 is a carryover. Now we'll count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. When we are writing the pictorial form, at that time here is a 4 standing line is there, but we are adding one more person, one more line. So here is a 1, 2, 3 and 4, 5, then 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 is there. So 11 we have to write in the tens place and 1 is the carry over. 11s we have to write in the ones place and 1 is a carry over. So here is a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 is there. So we have to write here 6. So answer is 612. 349 plus 263 is equal to answer is 612. Is equal to answer is 612. Now students, I will give you a 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next worksheet. Now students, next worksheet is worksheet number 5. Worksheet number 5. In that worksheet, 3-digit addition with the regrouping. Take the following 3-digit number in the pictorially. So represent 100. We have to represent 100 like a box. Tens as a standing line and ones in the small box is there. So like that too we have to start this. So students, 342 plus 189 is there. So first of all we have to draw the place value box. We have to write here ones, tens and 100. After that, in the ones place, 2 number is there. So we have to draw the 2 boxes here. Then 4. In the 4, there is a 4 standing line. We have to draw it here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. That 4 standing line we have to draw. And after that we have to draw the 3 boxes. 1, 2 and 3 boxes we have to draw. Now students, 189 is there. 189 is there. So what we have to draw in the ones place, we have to draw the 9 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9 boxes we have to draw. Then in the ones place, tens place, we have to draw the 8 standing line. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8 standing line we have to draw. In the 100 place, we have to draw the 1 box. After that, now students, we have to do the addition. So 2 plus 9 is there. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 and 11 is there. So what we have to do students, we have to write the ones here and 1 is a carry over. So in that 4 plus 8 is there. So let's count that 1, 2, 3, 4. One more carry over person we have to add it here. So 4 plus 1, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 and 30 is there. 30 is there, so we have to write the 3 here and 1 is a carryover. 4 plus 1, so let's count 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 is there. So we have to write here 5. So answer is 531 is there. Now students, I will give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Now we'll start next sum. Next sum is 459 plus 235. So in that we have to draw the 9 boxes in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 5 boxes in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 5 standing line we have to draw in the 100 place. We have to draw the 4 boxes. 1, 2, 3 and 4. After that, students, 235 is there, so we have to draw the 5 boxes. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. 3 is there, so we have to draw the 3 standing line. 1, 2 and 3. Then 2 is there, so we have to draw the 2 square. We have to draw it here. Now let's count. 1, 4, 5 plus 9 is there, so 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. 10, 10 plus 4, 10, then 11, 12, 13 and 14. So we have to write here 4 and 1 is a carryover. 1 is a carryover. Now 5 plus 3. So 5 plus 3, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, 6, 7, 8 and 1 more is there. So 9 is there. So we have to write here 9. Then 4 plus 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So we have to write here 6. So our answer is 694 is there. Answer is 694 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now we will start next sum. So in the last, 567 plus 254 is there. 567 plus 254 is there. So we have to draw the place value box, ones, tens and 100. After that, we have to draw the 7 boxes in the ones place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 4 boxes, 6 standing lines in the tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 square in the 100 place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then 254 is there. So we have to write 4 boxes in the one place. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Then 5 standing line in the ones tens place. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. And we have to write the 2 in the ones 100 place. Let's count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11 is there. So we have to write the 1 and 1 is a carryover. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 plus 1, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 is there. So we have to write here 2 and 1 is a carryover. 1 plus 2 plus 3, 4, 5, 6 and 7. 1 more is there. So 8 is there. So we have to write here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have to write here 8. So answer is 821 is there. 567 plus 254. So answer is 821 is there. Now students, I'll give you 1 minute. You have to complete your work. Okay students, I hope your work is complete. Now your homework is, you have to complete your work, worksheet number 4 and 5. That worksheet you have to complete it. Worksheet number 3rd, 4th and 5th. That worksheet you have to complete it and send it to me homework before 1:30. in a WhatsApp group. You have to send it to me homework before 1:30 in a homework WhatsApp group. Okay students, I hope so work is complete. Bye everyone, have a nice day.